Are you missing out on some serious health benefits by not eating enough eggs? You might be surprised at what just 2 a day can do for you. Eggs have long been a staple in many diets, and for good reason. They're an incredibly versatile food that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, from scrambled and fried to boiled and poached. But beyond their culinary appeal, eggs offer a wealth of health benefits that make them a great addition to your daily routine. In this video, we'll explore some of the extraordinary benefits you can experience by eating just 2 eggs a day. One of the most significant benefits of eggs is their high-quality protein content. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, making eggs a great food for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. In fact, eggs are considered one of the best sources of protein, with a single large egg providing about 6 grams of protein. This is especially important for those looking to build muscle mass or simply maintain their overall health. When you eat 2 eggs a day, you're giving your body a significant boost of protein to help with muscle growth and repair. This can be especially beneficial for those who engage in regular physical activity or are looking to recover from a workout. The protein in eggs is also very easily absorbed by the body, making it a highly effective way to get the nutrients you need. This is particularly important for those who have trouble digesting other sources of protein. Additionally, eggs are low in calories, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. When combined with a healthy lifestyle, eating 2 eggs a day can help you achieve your fitness goals. Eggs are also very versatile, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. You can scramble them with vegetables, make an omelette, or simply boil them and take them on the go. This makes it easy to get your daily dose of protein and other essential nutrients. In addition to their high-quality protein content, eggs are also packed with essential nutrients like vitamins D and B12. These vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining overall health, from supporting bone health to boosting energy levels. Vitamin D, for example, is essential for calcium absorption and bone growth, making it a critical nutrient for maintaining strong bones. Vitamin B12, on the other hand, plays a key role in energy production and nerve function. Vitamin D is also important for immune function, with research showing that it can help reduce the risk of certain diseases. Unfortunately, many people are deficient in vitamin D, making it even more important to get enough through their diet. Eggs are a great way to boost your vitamin D levels, with 2 eggs providing a significant amount of your daily needs. Eggs are also a rich source of other essential nutrients like choline and selenium. Choline is important for brain function and development, while selenium plays a critical role in immune function and antioxidant defenses. By eating 2 eggs a day, you're giving your body a significant boost of these essential nutrients. Incorporating 2 eggs into your daily diet can have a significant impact on your overall health. From the high-quality protein to the essential nutrients like vitamins D and B12, eggs are a great food to add to your routine. Whether you're looking to build muscle, boost energy levels, or simply maintain your overall health, eggs are a great choice. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. Do you have any thoughts on the benefits of eating eggs? Let us know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about healthy eating habits, be sure to check out our video on the top foods for a healthy gut.